Hi guys, my name is Elian de la Rosa, enrollment 2018-7373 for ITLA, Technological Institute of Americas. I'm ready to explain you how to build a simple Cisco network using the software Packet Tracer in very easy 5 steps in less than 5 minutes. Are you ready? Let's go. The first step is open Cisco Packet Tracer and choose your devices, your router, your switch, and your end devices into the blank workspace. Put into. Step 2 is turn on all devices and wire. The order in this topology is important and how I connect to the switch. Basically, the router allows for wire packets in different networks, switch for wire packets in the same networks, data packets, and end devices are usually used for the user, for example, laptop, PC, smartphone, scanner, etc. Step number 3 is open your router, clean mode, no, press enter, issue enable command, press enter, configure terminal, press enter, and type the name of the interface that connects the router into the network, gigabit 00. Interface, gigabit Ethernet 00, and set the IP address. IP address, for example, 10.0.0.1, subnet mask 24, and turn on the interface. Issue the no shutdown command. Okay, that's it. As additional configuration, maybe set the hostname, banner, NOTD, message of the day, between numeral 6. For example, let me in. And that's it. This is the banner. Step 4 is configure the IP address into the end device. For that, open your PC or your laptop, desktop, IP configuration, and IP address. Set the IP address of any of those available in the network. For example, this. So the mask is the same. Configure in the router, and default gateway is the IP address configured in the router in gigabit 00, default gateway. Laptop, the same, but other IP address, same, so the mask and same, default gateway. To end the final step, step 5 is test connectivity. For that, open your PC, and you must open command prompt and issue ping command. In addition, the IP address that we want to connect, for example, ping to this router. Okay, ping is successful. For example, ping to the laptop, ping successful. Inverse ping should be well. Pin to the PC. Successful. That's all. I hope that you like this video and happy you installed. Bye bye.